Come on, go, man.
See, I got a microphone on Terry Rose to see what he sounds like.
Come on, Corey.
Terry.
Put him down. Put him down, Eddie. Come on, put him down.
Yum.
Rachel, movie popcorn. Handfuls, movie popcorn.
That's only 30 seconds.
That tastes too bad. Eddie's really picky
How
about
motivational that is.
Come on, man. Shove that mess in there.
Why is
It's
Terry
good
smiling?
stuff.
I think he's enjoying this.
They're real good guts.
Don't make him laugh. You're gonna make him fail.
Freaking what?
Fail.
Edward Van want to know if he can take a bow home. 1 minute down, 2 to go.
How far does that go, dude?
What's wrong, Waldo?
Big hole. Yeah, I'm good. I'm good. Come on, Corey, you can do it. Nobody's cheering at all.
We need Eddie to win. So we can get my doll.
What is that, Chinese? What is that? Coming up on 2 minutes. There's the 2 minute mark. Got 1 more minute. Eat up. You know you love it.
He even got one ball.
2 minutes, 15 seconds, 45 more seconds. Come on, tear it up.
Use both hands. Double fist it.
Hey, Mama. Come here, Melissa.
2 minutes, 30 seconds, 30 more seconds. Come on, tear it up. Get in that bow, Terry Rose. Get in there. Mmm. 2:45, 15 more seconds. 5 more seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, puke. All right.